Hello YouTube, this is Billy. Today I was wanting to do an open box review of the Chicago Electric welding helmet. This would be the item number, part number of it. And I just picked it up today and was wanting to do a review for you guys. So let's open this up and see what it's like. So, open this up. Plastic bag. Here's the actual welding hood. Let's take a look at this. So far, it looks really nice. For the price, it looks really nice. And one of the features of this helmet, or welding helmet, it would be that it's auto darkening. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off here. And on the inside, peel this one off here. It's auto darkening. And it is solar powered to keep the battery charged, so you don't never have to worry about changing your battery. I thought that was a really cool option. It looks like a really nice helmet for the price. Very nice. And inside the box we also have looks like we've got another piece to replace that piece right there. That way you have an extra. And we also have another lens. Considering this one looks so clear, I'm assuming this would be the, like if you wanted to use the hood for grinding, you could swap out the lens. That way you could see straight through this, and this one has a protective coating on it too. I'm sure it's crystal clear when you peel that off. And it's got a owner's manual, auto darkening welding helmet, and important safety information. This is the shade guide chart. Pretty basic stuff for anybody that's welding, and it's nice that they have this little pamphlet for some people maybe a little more still learning, so this little pamphlet is definitely beneficial. So for anybody this video might help, well, I give this product a very big thumbs up. Well, good luck to everybody. Alrighty, bye.